Hey, it's Tax Scripts time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama wants to give you some very big news about tax law changes. On December 20th, President Trump signed into law the Further Consolidated Appropriations Act. Those 715 pages included two major tax bills: the Setting Every Community Up for Retirement Enhancement Act, otherwise known as the Secure Act, and the Taxpayer Certainty and Disaster Tax Relief Act of 2019. Well, my friends, why is this set of laws important to you? And here is the link to those laws, other than the fact that it includes a budget bill to keep the government in operation. Well, the TCDTRA, because I'm not going to say all of that, includes extenders to tax laws that had previously expired. In fact, many of those extenders go back to January 1st, 2018, which may give you an opportunity to amend those 2018 tax returns if you choose to do so. The Secure Act gives you some major benefits regarding your retirement savings and distributions. Seeing this information will give you an idea about why the IRS will undoubtedly delay the start of the e-filing season. Both the IRS and all the tax software companies must rapidly rewrite a significant part of their tax software to accommodate these changes, which incidentally have been waiting since June or July to be passed. No one really expected them to pass at the last minute like this. Let me give you a brief overview of the provisions that will affect you directly. Key extender provisions from Division Q affecting 2018 to 2020 are: the mortgage insurance premiums are now deductible. Medical expenses are reduced by 7.5% instead of the 10% they were about to rise to. Principal residence debt cancellations are not taxable. They have restored the $4,000 tuition and fees deduction. That $500 lifetime non-business energy credit is back. The qualified fuel cell motor vehicle credit has been restored. Two-wheeled plug-in electric vehicle credit has also been restored, and the new employer tax credit for paid family leave gets an extra year of life. Remember, you can amend your 2018 return if these changes make a significant difference for you, but if the effect is minor, don't bother. Expect these amended returns to take many months to process since the IRS will be flooded. Now, how is the Secure Act going to affect you? Let me count the ways. There's a new $500 employer tax credit for setting up a retirement plan or adding to an existing plan for employees where they are automatically enrolled. If the employee does not want to participate, they have to opt out of the plan. And this is in addition to the previous tax credit for setting up a new retirement plan. Part-time employees may qualify for 401k participation. Certain fellowships and stipend payments are considered earned income to allow recipients to make IRA contributions, and those payments to home health care workers which are not taxable do qualify to allow them to make IRA contributions. The IRA contribution age limit of 70.5 has been removed. You can contribute as long as you have earned income. And the age for required minimum distributions from IRAs and retirement plans has risen from 70.5 to age 72. Money drawn from IRAs and retirement plans used for adoption will avoid the 10% early withdrawal penalty. Funds may be withdrawn from the Section 529 plans to cover up to $10,000 of student loan principal and interest, but only once in a lifetime. Inherited IRAs and qualified plans must now be distributed over 10 years instead of the actuarial life of the beneficiary or the deceased, except for spouses. And kiddie tax rates are back at the parent's rate instead of the higher trust rate. This may be optional. This is effective for 2018 in case you want to amend. There are many more provisions. To get details, please sign up for my 2 tax update courses at cca CHCPE link. You can go to cpelink.com/Team TaxMama. I'm in the process of updating these courses, including the California course, as well as the 2020 edition of Small Business Taxes Made Easy. Incidentally, I don't know if you know, TaxMama.com is a free resource for people to get answers to questions before they make major costly